everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt nervous speaking English, or you understand English but can't speak smoothly, this video is for you. Today we're talking about how to speak English easily and confidently.
Hey guys, I'm really excited about this topic because, honestly, a lot of people feel stuck when it comes to speaking.
Yeah, that's true. I hear this all the time. I understand English, but I can't speak.
Exactly. And most of the time, it's not about knowledge, it's about confidence and practice.
So today, we're going to break it down step by step.
Simple tips, real examples, and things you can start doing today.
All right, let's start with the most important thing.
Practice. Every day.
Sounds obvious, but people don't do it.
Yeah, a lot of people wait for the perfect time, or they think they need hours. But honestly, even 10 minutes a day can change everything.
So what should people do in those 10 minutes?
Talk about your life. Keep it simple. For example, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
That sounds basic, but it's actually powerful.
Exactly. And you can make it more natural over time. For example, instead of I go to work, you can say, I'm going to work.
Right, that's how people actually talk.
Yeah. The goal is not perfection, it's communication.
Let's talk about fear, because that's a big one.
Oh yeah. Fear stops people more than anything else.
People are afraid to sound wrong or embarrassed.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. You can't improve without them.
Right? Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
So what should learners do?
Speak anyway. Even if your sentence isn't perfect, say it.
That's a mindset shift.
Yeah, don't aim for perfect English. Aim for clear English.
Now let's move to listening.
This is huge. If you don't listen, you won't know how English really sounds.
So what should people listen to?
Anything you enjoy. YouTube, podcasts, movies, music.
Enjoyment is important.
Exactly. If it's boring, you won't continue.
Should beginners listen to fast English?
Not at first. Start with slow, clear English. Then go faster over time.
So it's like training your ears?
Yeah, exactly.
I've heard repeating helps a lot.
It's one of the best techniques.
How does it work?
You listen, then repeat exactly what you hear. Same pronunciation, same rhythm.
Like copying?
Exactly.
Give us an example.
Okay. Instead of saying, "How are you today?" say it like this. How are you today?
How are you today? Yeah, that sounds way more natural.
That's how Americans actually talk.
A lot of learners try to use big, complicated words.
Yeah, but simple English is better.
Why?
Because simple language is easier to use in real life.
Give us some examples.
Instead of something complicated, just say, I like this. I need help. I'm tired.
Short and clear.
Exactly. Communication first, complexity later.
What about speaking with others?
That's where real progress happens.
But a lot of people don't have English-speaking friends.
That's okay. There are tons of apps and online communities.
So no excuses.
Exactly. Even 2 to 5 minute conversations help.
It builds confidence.
And speed.
Let's be honest, people want fast results.
Yeah, but language learning doesn't work like that.
So what's the key?
Consistency. Do a little every day.
Even when you don't feel like it.
Especially when you don't feel like it.
That's real discipline.
And that's how you improve.
Let's do a real-life situation.
All right, you're at a restaurant.
Hi, I'd like a coffee.
Or, more natural, can I get a coffee?
Nice.
Another one. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Simple and useful.
That's all you need to start.
All right, guys, let's wrap it up. Today we talked about practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Listen more. Repeat what you hear. Keep it simple. Talk to people. And stay consistent.
If you follow these steps, your English will improve. No doubt.
Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, thanks guys.
And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.